I'm Roy.
I'm William.
And I'm Ollie.
And we're the NMR team. Oh, today we start the installation, and as luck would have it, our 400 over here finally broke down yesterday. So we're going to take out the old and bring in the new. We started by opening the boxes. First out was the new 400 MHz console. The console had to get to the other side of the unshielded magnet without being pulled into it. We moved the cupboard to make space and moved the console into its position. The magnet stand was unpacked, then we brought in the magnet, which was a tight squeeze through the door. We opened the box and got the first glimpse of our new 500 MHz magnet. We attached the straps, lifted up the tripod and assembled the lifting gear, and then started lifting the magnet out of the box. When we started detaching the legs, we realized that the magnet was in the wrong orientation and in slightly the wrong place, so we had to put the magnet down again, turn the tripod around, and then slowly move it up and down until we got it into the right position, which we It used to be that we would have to assemble the bottom plate of the magnet and the insulation inside, as you can see in this video from 1995, but nowadays they are able to put the bottom plate and assemble it and ship it ready-made, and therefore this makes our life much easier. Here we see the shipping support removed and the bore tube inserted.
The pipes is what's missing, and there are some more. There's a little bit of radiation.
The next stage is to attach the valve and pull a vacuum. We left it on vacuum from Thursday till Sunday. On Sunday we discovered the high vacuum gauge from Booker was not working, so we took one from the nearby laboratory, and this showed that we had reached a good vacuum in the magnet, so we started pulling a vacuum and flushing with nitrogen the helium can. The helium container must be absolutely dry and clear of ice. This is so that there is no insulating layer formed over the magnet that could cause it to quench during charging. So the first stage is to Flush it with dry nitrogen and pull a vacuum repeatedly to remove any traces of water. Later on, we will see that we flush it with helium so that even the nitrogen itself would freeze at liquid helium temperatures. Both the nitrogen and helium containers are now filled with liquid nitrogen. The helium container is only cooled to a certain amount till it gets to about 90 Kelvin, or about 15 degrees above the temperature where nitrogen would liquefy. This is to ensure that we don't get left with any liquid nitrogen inside that would freeze as we pull a vacuum on it to flush it with helium. It was then we ran into a problem. To be continued. If you want to know what happened next, please subscribe, press the like button, and order NMR services at the link below and in the description.